Hello everyone, welcome back to S-Techno. Today I am going to tell you how to convert any number into binary number. So for that you need just a pen and paper. So let's begin. So first we will pick a random number. So this can be between 0 to any limit. So now we will click on generate. So this generated 9619154. So we will write here 619154. So now we are going to convert this number into binary number. So first we will draw a table which has 3 columns. So first we are going to write this number which you want to convert into binary number here. So here we have 619154. So in this third column we will get binary number, and in here this we are going to use to divide and reduce our number. So 619154 divided by 2. So you can use a calculator or either do it manually. So here I have my calculator and we are going to divide this number by 2. So we have 619154 and we are going to divide this number by 2. Divided by 2. It is 309557. 309557. And we didn't got any decimal here, so we are going to write it 0. Now we are going to divide this number again by 2. So here we can make more rows, and again we have to divide 309557 by 2, and we are getting 154788. 154788. We don't have to write here decimal, as we are getting a decimal number, which means we have a remainder. So we are going to write here 1. It should be 0.5 only. The decimal should be 0.5 only, which means 0.5 of 2, which is 1. So it should be 0.5 only. So here we have 154788. We have to again divide it by 2. And now we are going to divide it by 2. And we are getting 77394. Now first I had that decimal, so we are simply going to cut off the decimal because we wrote here 1. We have done the decimal though, so we don't have to include that decimal here. Otherwise we will get a different answer. So we have to subtract that 0.5 from that and then divide it by 2. So I already did it. We are going to write this number here and again divide it by 2. So divided by 2, and here there was no decimal, so we are going to write here 0. Now again we got a 2. Divided by 2, we have to divide it by 2. So we are getting 38697, and it is it has no decimal, so we are going to again write here 0. Now if you know that if we divide by odd number, we always get a remainder, which means we will get a decimal. We should get a decimal 0.5 after our next answer. We are again dividing this number by 2, and yes, we are getting this 0.5, so we are right. So we are writing this number again, ignoring the decimal point, and here we will write 1. So then you have to subtract the decimal and then divide it by 2. So I am going to again extend this table very down. Now we are again going to divide this number by 2, and we did it here, so we have 9674, and we have no decimal, so we are going to write it 0 here. Then we are again dividing this number by 2, and we have 4837, and no decimal, so we are going to write here 0. Now again we are going to divide this number by 2, and yeah, we are getting decimal, so we will write here 1 and write the number here and subtract 0.5 and again divide it by 2, and we are getting the answer 1209 and no decimal, so we will write here 0. So we will again extend this and now we are going to again divide this number by 2. We are getting decimal, so we will write here 1 and write here the number. Now again divide this by 2 and again, okay, I forgot to subtract that 0.5, so we will subtract the. So if you forget to subtract 0.5 anytime, you have to be careful to subtract it, but in case if you forget, you can just cut the decimal in the next number. If the number is even, the previous number is even. Here we have the previous number even, so we can subtract the decimal. So we will write here 302 and 0. Because we subtracted the decimal. We forgot to subtract the decimal. So after dividing, we can subtract. Because the previous number was even. Now again we have to divide this number by 2. Which gives us 151 and no decimal, so 0. Again divide this by 2. And see, we have 75. And here it's 0. So now we have to subtract 0.5 again, and we have to again divide it by 2. It's 37.5. 37.5. So we will write here. So previous number it was a point, so we will write here 1. Now we are going to subtract again 0.5, and here again we are going to divide this by 2 divided by 2. So here we have this. So I am going to again extend this table Now again divide this by 2. Divided by, no, first minus 0.5 and then divided by 2, and it is 9. So 9, 0 remainder, again divided by 2, so 1, and here now again divided by 2. Okay, first we have to subtract the decimal point and divide it by 2. So here we have 2 and 0. Now 2 we are going to divide by 2. So we will get 1. Here comes the twist. So we divide 2. Okay. 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1 and we have 0 remainder. So we will write here 0. And then we have to again divide 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2. So we are getting 0 and 0.5. So we are writing here. So when you get here 0, you are going to stop. This is the end. This is the final end. And then you don't have to continue further. Now, here we have so much calculation. So we are going to write these numbers, all these numbers in the third column, because it has only zeros and ones, so they are our binary. Now don't do a mistake. See, we don't have to write from top to bottom. We have to write from bottom to top, which means that we have to first write the last number in the third column, which is 1. Cut it, 0. Cut here, again 0, cut 1. So it's 1 0 0 1. So here also we have 1 0 0 1. Now again it's 0. And here we have 1 1 1 0 0. So we will write here 1 1 1 0 0. Now above there we have 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. 1 0 1 0 0 1. Now 0 0 1 0. Again we have 0 0 1 0. So this is the binary number for 619154, which means 619154. This whole long number. So now we can check it. So here we are in the binary converter. So here I am going to type this binary number, which is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. And now we are going to convert this. So here it is. We have 619154. Here in the decimal number, here we have the same number which we selected in that binary converter. So this is how you can convert any number into binary code. We don't require this thing in today's days, but still we can use it anytime as a code or anything else. And if still you don't want this method, you can also you can take binary converters from Google, but here this method is the standard method, writing on pen, paper or anywhere else, on any iPad or any PC or anything. I am doing this on my iPad, but you can do it anywhere. But this is the standard method. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and bye till the next video.